Hey everyone, in this video I will be explaining how to fix TranslucentTB not working on Windows 11 after the new update. So please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. You can open the given link in the video description to download vivetool. So just click on it and download it. Once you download it, you don't need to unzip it for now, as we need to create a new folder in your local disk C drive. And then you can just extract it to the new folder. So just right click in here and create a new folder and make sure to call it as zVIVE. After you created the folder, now you can go back to your vivetool and right click on it to extract it to the new folder. Click on extract all. Then in here, click on browse, select local disk C drive, and over here, look for zVIVE folder that you just created. Once you select it, then click on select folder. After that, you can just click on extract. And next, we need to open up the command prompt. So to do that, just go to your search bar and type in there CMD. And make sure to run it as administrator. You can copy these two commands from the video description and paste them in here one by one. After this one is successfully done, then you need to restart your computer. Now, in case if you get this message for the second command, then what you need to do, go back to the website again and download the second one, the second vivetool in here, and follow the same process. So all you need to do, just make sure to remove the first zip file that you downloaded and then extract this one to the new folder that you created. Then after that, the command definitely should work. So just remember to restart your computer after you've done the commands. In case you restarted your computer but you're still having a problem, then you can just try the last solution. Open up your settings. On the top in the search bar, type uninstall updates and click on it. In here, look for the latest update that you have installed it, and then you can just uninstall it. Hopefully one of these solutions will work for you, so please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.